Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Friday, Martyn Lucas Investor. Whoa, what a week it's been, and we've got a big interview coming up with you, a world premiere exclusive in just over an hour from now, of course, with our hero Andy Shovel, one of the largest retail investors in the world for Virgin Galactic. He called me earlier. We had a video call, learned a lot about the company, learned a lot about Virgin Galactic. You don't want to miss this. You want to be there live. Have all your questions in the chat. Let's bring everybody on the screen. Hey, Fata and Sensei, how are you? And Bill, Stephen Lewandowski, I have 7,666 shares of space, same amount of shares as Zach reported he has, 7,666 shares also. How does that happen? I have no idea how that happens. Got that like button. I'm also Zach, by the way, just saying. Zach Z Hink is Zach as well. Hello from Henrik from Denmark is here as well. All right, we're starting to see things coming back up again. It's been a very, very tough day. We've had all sorts of surprises, things going in all kinds of directions. Virgin Galactic's been making its way back up again to 183. Great. Fisker is up today. I've got to do a review on that for one of our members. That's for Lance Strength. Not a chance yet. Palantir Technologies keeps on running. It keeps on running. It's too expensive, but people don't care. They just pay any price for anything, it seems. Up we go. It keeps on going. Can you believe it? There you go. Gold is going down. Everyone's buying stocks. The S&P is up 1.37. Got 2,900 shares of space, said Zed Hink. Congratulations. Fantastic. Amazon keeps on going up. Overvalued. No one cares. Apple just keeps on running. What can we say about this rally right now? I've got to be very careful when this is going to all burst. Next Era Energy is up as well. Enphase Energy. There's my big stock. I'm up 3% on that one. Nearly at our magic 80. That's what we want to break through. Very, very good. Coca-Cola is making its way back up again. J&J is making its way up again. Kenvue is just bouncing around. Chevron is going up, getting better and better all the time. Tesla is up again today, 2%. Rivian just follows Tesla, really. McDonald's is up 0.25%. Google, can you believe what happened here today? I reported 78% sold by the director of Google, and then this happens. Can you believe it? This is the market we live in. The information was there. An insider the director of Google, sold 78% of his shares. I took my money out, and look what happened. It went up nearly 2%. I mean, who would judge that? Microsoft, way too expensive, just keeps going up. Walmart going up. Tesco going up. Tilray going up. Robinhood up today, nearly 4%. So even though I took my money out of Google, I'm making a lot more money where I put it over there in Robinhood. So there's swings and roundabouts to it all, as there always is. IonQ is down. It is too expensive. Rocket Lab, great. Going up. Plug, I bought some more today and did a quick post for loss, lower the average. I've got the average down now to 474. I was down like 48% today. I'm now down 29. I have changed things a little bit. I wanted to test the water to see if we could hold it. It's been sort of going sideways, so I didn't want to stay in too long over the weekend. Procter & Gamble going up. Rumble going up. We're reporting on, it's down, but it's going up. Reporting on the earnings on Monday. Funware, it's going down again. FFIE, rubbish. Not worth anything at all. Rio Tinto going up. Bitcoin is up 1.21 today. Matic is down 0.1 today. XRP is down 0.9. And we got our big event coming up for you. I did a little trailer If you've not yet seen the trailer for the interview with Virgin Galactic's very own Andy Shovel, of course, taking care of our petition, which changed everything at Virgin Galactic. That's happening in an hour from now. We'll go directly from this show directly into the video. All right, so stick with us for that. Comes right at the end, and then we go over to a live party, Virgin Galactic party, on my music channel. I make no money on those videos. I only make money when people give me super chats for songs, but it's all part of trying to get to 10,000 subscribers so I can do fundraisers for those charities for free. And, all the money goes to charity. So please join us for a party tonight. We're going up, by the way, 5,540. Over 25 of you subscribed to me today on my music channel to support those charity events. So thank you to all of you. All right. Okay. Let's have a look at the comments that I just missed. Let's have a look. Hi all. Mind Warp, says Bill. I got 2,900 shares of space. Warp Factor. Hi Mark. Hi everybody from Stephen. Good sign if we close green. It would be nice on a Friday, wouldn't it? Stephen Lewandowski. Hi Henrik. Hi Stephen. Are we good tonight? Magnificent 7 will call off very soon, and then it's time for small caps. I agree. I think it's not the right thing to do to chase a stock when it's overbought. Everybody, it actually really gets me down sometimes that people just follow the leader. They don't try to take some risk and look for new innovation. Like I've been trying to find Plug Power. I've been trying to find the bottoms for Robinhood. I've been trying, and which I got, by the way. Virgin Galactic, I got the bottom there. Try to look. All they want to do is just go, well, I'm just going to buy what everybody else is buying. Google and Apple. It's great, but it's all overbought. It's insane. It doesn't make any sense at all. But, people just keep buying it up and up and up and up and up. But, of course, what goes up must come down if it's overbought. It's as simple as that. N-phase looking bouncy. N-phase looking bouncy. Yep, it's looking good. This is a value position where we can get in and buy the bottom of the market. This is what we want, right? This is what it's all about. Hi, Tio. Nice to have you here. Queen of Self-Braiding is here. How are you, Queen? Lovely to have you here. Hi, Queen. Plug is down 43%. I am buying. Just been buying this afternoon. I've lowered my average to 474. Been playing around with the stock. Came in and covered for a wash to lower the average and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, it doesn't make any... Well, it does make sense why it's down, but not this much. It doesn't make any sense to be down that much. Hi, MSK. That's what I'm thinking, MSK. Absolutely. Anyway, Pat M, Plug going bankrupt within 18 months. No, it's not. That doesn't make any sense whatsoever. I've looked at the numbers. There's no evidence of that at all. And if we want to show you that, look, if we go to Plug using our software, we plug it all in, literally plug power in. If we look at the base case scenario, we're undervalued by 51%. Best case, we're undervalued by 78%. Worst case scenario, undervalued by 10%. So you get people just coming in saying all sorts of stuff, not based upon any information whatsoever. It's just, I want to say it's going bust. There's no reason for that. No reason for that at all. Revenue has been going up. If we look at the solvency score, we give it a score of 50 out of 100. We got the low DE, we got short-term solvency, long-term solvency, negative net debt. That's all fine. So they're not going bust at all. If we look at the balance sheet, this is everything you need to know. The balance sheet: 5.6 billion on assets, 1.8 billion on liabilities. Where are we going bust? Where does it say we're going bust at those numbers? It doesn't. It doesn't. It's just the street is selling it off. They don't like waiting around and they just dump it. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for undervalued, oversold stocks. All right. Hi, Seth. I also bought Plug for this price. It was very interesting. I think so. Good evening, all. Best YouTube channel in the world. Thanks, Mike. Hi, Stephen. Hi, Stephen. I enjoyed the Friday phone-in today. It was great. Hi, Tio, Queen, and Crag. Excellent. Right. We're making our way back up again. Plug was oversold. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Let's see where we go from here. It's trying to come back up again. Virgin Galactic's coming back up again, 182 down today. But again, if we look over our month, we are trending higher now. So again, it takes patience. Hi from Cleveland, Ohio, George. How are you, George? Nice to see you. Welcome to the show. That's the very first. I don't think I've seen George in here before. Welcome, George. It's lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Right. George is from Ohio. Let's give George a big welcome, shall we, everybody? That would be great, wouldn't it? Right. We've got 1 hour from now. I want to see everybody putting a comment, joining me for the live interview, the premiere with one of our top retail investors in the world with Virgin Galactic and Andy Shovel. He was the guy who organized our petition, which got the change. There is the link in the chat. Go there now. It's pinned to the top. Let's have a look. Let's see who's leaving the first comment. It's going to be here live right at the end of the show. Here it is. Right, how many likes? We've got 8 likes already. People are starting to come in. Leave your comments here in the chat. Live interview. Expect a couple of thousand people to watch this live. That would be really great for a premiere. All right. Really, really great. At the end of this show, leave your comments in here. It would be absolutely wonderful. Give it a like, share it. We want everyone to be here for the interview. All right. In 62 minutes from now. Brilliant. Look forward to everybody joining me for that. Okay, what a guy, says Mike. Hi, MSK. Just bought 1,552 shares of Plug. Very nice indeed. 340 now. Very, very good indeed. Let's watch it move. Let's see if it goes up now. My average now is 474. Let's see what we can do with it. It is oversold, no doubt about it. See if we can turn the studio green before the bell goes. Hey, PCMD, just gave me a rose over on TikTok. I want to thank you. Let's put TikTok on the screen. Welcome in our TikTok crowd. Here we go. If I just bring it up here. And this is what they're seeing. They've got a different perspective of the show. There it is, TikTok. Thank you so much indeed. If you tap the screen like that, look, little hearts appear. And we just had our top gifter. I think it was, is it PC somebody? If you click the star, you become one of my subscribers and get exclusive content, which I will make for you and also promote your TikTok channel. I've got 37, nearly 38,000 followers now on TikTok, and I will make sure everybody gets to hear about you, and I'll invite everyone to follow you. All right, excellent stuff. Someone just gave me a flower. I think it was a rose from someone. Anyway, thank you very much indeed. Right, let's get back to our viewers here a minute. Let's have a quick look up on Rumble. Let's see our Rumble audience. Just a quick shout out to everybody over there who's watching us there this afternoon. Hi all, lovely to have you here. Let's see how if we're on the homepage of Rumble today. Scroll our way down here. Let's have a little look on the finance page. Let's see, the finance page is just here. There we go. We're number 1 today. Number 1 on the home rumble.com. There we go. Lovely to see you all this afternoon. We're trying to find the bottom of Plug. I think we may have found it. We'll have a little look in a minute. Again, let's go back to Facebook and X account and let's see who's over there. Welcome to you. Thank you. Now here's the interview with Andy Shovel for Virgin Galactic. It comes up in just a few minutes' time. In fact, what I'd like everyone to do, I see you're starting to do it now, repost it. We've got a bit of a competition going on here, but it's between our top members. Let me give you the link to my X account. There is that post. Go and visit that post. Repost it. This is how we changed policy at Virgin Galactic. It's goes live in just under under an hour now, 59 minutes. Repost it and give it a like. That's the post there, okay? Thank you very much indeed. And let me go and say hello to our Facebook audience who are watching us live on Facebook this afternoon. Thank you very much indeed. Give that a like. Brilliant. People often say to me, why do you like your own post? Because I love what I do and I just put a like on everything. Just like doing it, all right? That's why it's called a like button. And some people go, but you're trying to influence the algorithm. Makes no difference if I like my own post or not. Doesn't do anything. I just like being positive in the world. All right, that's what I always do. Have I got any comments to respond to? I want to thank Soul Touch 777 who just shared it for me as well, and also Soul Touch, you did both of those. Thank you. Right, we are just a couple away now from a magical moment on StockTwits. StockTwits is the internet of the stock market. The Twitter of the stock market. 97 followers to go. Who's going to become my 100th follower on StockTwits? There you go. There's my link. I'll post it 3 times so you can see it. There you go. Let's see if we can get to 100 followers. Be absolutely great. And you want to join me because this is where we debunk the rumors about SpaceX linking up with Virgin Galactic. They're trying to say that. There's some people on there trying to say that, and it's absolutely not true. Swangan77, that name rings a bell. Swangan77 on over there on TikTok. Swangan77. Wasn't you one of my subscribers at one point on TikTok? You click the star alert, become one of my exclusive members, and I will promote your channel, get everyone to follow you. Swangan77 has just given me, look, if we scroll up, it'll come up in a second, just given me, I think it's 30 roses. It'll come up in a sec. Look, it says there, look, Swangan, my #1 gifter. Thanks for the roses, mate. I appreciate that very much. It's really nice when people do that. It shows support for the TikTok channel, and it's really nice. Thank you very much. Right, getting back to Virgin Galactic. We're still holding down today, but we are trying to hold up. We're going to learn a lot today from our special interview, live interview, coming up in just under 50 minutes with Andy Shovel. Virgin Galactic interview. You don't want to miss it. Learn a lot about the stock. Everyone join me there. MSK said, if almost anything goes down that quick, that much, let alone a company with a solid balance sheet, I am buying MSK. Exactly. It makes sense. Bought some extra plug today. Market is overreacting. Insane. Will go up next week. I absolutely agree. And I did the same thing. And there you go. I bought some more. My average now 474 and it's starting to go up. Awful day for plug. I mean, 41% of their share price was wiped out today. 41%. I mean, that is ridiculous. A golden opportunity there. Absolutely. Absolutely right. Anyway, these are the things that happen. All right. It's a very, very tough world. See it going up quickly now. Thanks, bro, says MSK. Hi, Omar. Hi, Martin, everyone. Omar, I got your comment on Discord. I got that about the review. It's in the list to do. I'll do that for you. What's going on with Virgin now? Well, we're going to learn about Virgin Galactic today in the interview. You don't want to miss it. So, have we got anybody that's given it a like yet? Anyone left a comment yet? Let's have a look. Here we go. This is looking good. Look at this. It's going to be a big, big interview. We've got 13 likes already, 6 waiting in the waiting room. We've got comments from T.O. Roll, comments from the Queen of Self-Braiding. Everyone's there coming in. I like it. 13 likes already. When you go and like it, share it on your social media. Next year, when we get Taylor Swift, Elon Musk fly in that $1 million seat for Virgin Galactic, we want these interviews to go all over Virgin, all over Google. Really, really do. There we go. Right. We've got a very honest comment just come in. You're gonna hear of a very honest comment, and this is what the channel's about. We take the ups with the downs. Always the truth, though. Here it comes. You're about to hear a big statement now. Would it be possible to review Indie? I think, is that the one you put on Discord, Omer? Yes, I will review all the stocks for you. You want Indie, so this is Omer wants Indie review. I won't do it now before the end of the show. It's impossible, but I will do it for you over the weekend. I've got Lance Strength wants Fisker as well. I've got others to do as well. Guess who just posted a video about 6 months? After 6 months, the Wolf of Dubai. You are kidding me, really? I'm not even going to bother watching it. If he thinks he can, try to manipulate everybody to buy his training programs when Virgin Galactic just kept going up, then disappeared for months and months and months, nearly a year, when it kept going down, and now wants to make money out of it at the bottom. I am not giving him one single view, so not a chance in heck am I going to do that. No, he's lost my respect. Did you buy more Plug? Seth Houston asking. Plug could certainly retain around $5 next week. Virgin Galactic Plug. It's 341, starting to go up now, definitely. Bought some Hood. Now, I bought some Hood. I doubled my, not doubled, I had another 100. I will share with you my trades. I put a video about it as well the moment I did it. 885, 849, 806. There it is, 806. Kathy Wood jumped in and bought millions, but she paid too much. I bought it lower. It's the first time I am buying Plug. Wow, what an opportunity for you then. You're buying it at the bottom. Here we go. Here's the statement. I need to be completely honest. Don't hate me, from Sensei Crypto in the chat. What has he done? What has Sensei Crypto done? I shorted space at $2. He's betting on it going down. There we go. That's fine. That's the game. We're all in it together. We're kind of in it together. Kind of. But yes, he shorted the stock. It's honest. It's the truth. It's how he's playing it. That's fine. Okay, here we go. Bought some Hood. No, Bill. No, Sensei is not. Why have you been dishonest? Not up to now. Why have you been dishonest up to now? No, he's not being dishonest, Bill. He's telling you what he's doing. He's being the very opposite of dishonest. He's telling you that he is shorting the stock. That's his right, and he's telling you what he's doing. Very, very honest. Bought some more Hood, Rocket Lab and Space, so a good day for me, said Henrik. Join the family here, George. I used to live in Lorain, Ohio. Now live in Palm Bay, Florida. From Stephen Lewandowski. Sensei Crypto, you son of a great mum. Oh dear. Oh my God, Sensei, you ruined me. That was a compliment. Okay. Bill just wanted to say, no, it's a joke. I just want to I always do post the comments, reply to them, and be clear. Because not everybody's watching the whole show. Some people will come in and see one thing for a second and get it all misunderstood. That's why I always, I always make sure everybody knows what's going on. It's important, right? Okie dokie. Now then, hopefully we'll be green by the end of the day. I'm interested in buying the stocks at the bottom. Finding the bottom, it's hard. It's much, 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 much harder. Takes a lot more work, discipline, than just simply chasing the trend and simply buying whatever everybody else is buying. People come in and go, well, I'm just going to buy Apple. I don't care if it's overpriced. I don't care if it's too expensive. I'm just going to buy it anyway because everybody else is buying it. We've seen it going on all day long. Apple, Amazon, all overpriced. Great companies, but the share price doesn't make sense. And I can't do it. I'd love to be up today on Apple. It would be great. But I can't be buying something that is overpriced. It doesn't make sense. At some point, it has to cool off. Anyway, let's read some more comments here. Sensei said, it's only a short-term trade. Come on. Come and short squeeze me. If we get to 170, I'll take profits. I love it. It's honest, and I love it. That's what this channel is. We aim to be the most honest, real, live channel on YouTube TV. That is what we try to do. If you guys watch my shows, I always said first, we hit 2, we will have to take profits, just like Martyn said. Exactly. And when you hear today from one of the biggest retail investors in the world, you will see on our interview exactly what he thinks of the stock and what he's doing and how he's playing it. Make sure that you watch this video to the end. You need to listen to it. It's very, very important information. Stephen, must be nice. I need to move down south too. Tired of the cold weather in Cleveland. George, lovely to have you here, George. We got a new guest here today. Should George be a member of our family? Of course he should. Bradley O'Rourke sold GST today for 140% gain. Only had about £117 in the stock, but walked away with close to 300. Will likely reinvest it in space at some point. Bradley O'Rourke, congratulations to you. Hi mate, have you looked at Codal Minerals? I haven't. I can review a full stock, run it through our software and our algorithms, and do a full back test, show you the inside traders, who's buying it, who's selling it, show you what the margins are, the balance sheet, but we only do that for our members. It's a full review. Takes me quite a while to prepare that video and that information, but I do that for all of my members. You can become a member just for a couple of bucks. All right. Sensei, he thinks that's funny. George is smiling away there. Right. Okay. Half an hour to go. We're about to end the show. It's been a very, very difficult week. Lots of good, lots of bad, bit of a balance. But we're getting ready for the end of the show. There's our TikTokers. I want to thank you all this afternoon for joining me. Swangan is my #1 gifter today. You can see it. Look, there he is. Swangan77, my #1 gifter. First person to click the star when you see it, I will promote your channel today. I will do a video and tag your account in it. I've got 37,000, nearly 38,000 followers. If you want to grow on TikTok, best way to do it is make friends with a TikTok channel that has a large following. But what I will do is tag you in a viral post and get everyone to follow you. First person to click the star. Only one per day I do. So if you want one, it's only the first person who clicks the star. If that turns 6 from 5, that will be it. All right. Okay, let's go back to the stocks. Let me share with you my overall position. We are just about to turn green. It's been a very tough day today. The Roth IRA is coming up. Remember, I started with $5,000 2.5 years ago. We're at $49,000, just under $50,000. I've been buying the dips today. This is my entire portfolio. I share everything on X and Stock Twits with you. Talking of Stock Twits, did we get there? Did we get 100 today? Let's have a look. 97 followers. We're down to 3 more to go. If you follow me on Stock Twits, there it is. Let's see if we can get 100 a day. That would be fun. Right. Okay. Now then, just before we go into our interview, we want to show you the heat map today. What's up, what's down. Nvidia is doing best today, up 3%. MRK is down right in the center. You can see, in fact, even worse. We got down here, Disney down 2.53. I told you, I'm not really interested in Disney at the moment. But Nvidia is doing all right today. And a nice green day across the board. Let's look at the global markets. Oh, first of all, our Bitcoin that we hold on our ledger. We've bought it at 15,000. We don't pay a penny more, and we're doing well. We're just off our peaks today at the minute. Let's show you that. Also, let me show you my my Coinbase as well. Our crypto challenge with Sensei Crypto. We started with $1,000. We're now at $2,177. Hardly any risk at all. We've got plenty of. If I show you my assets, plenty of money still sat in cash. As you can see, 605 in USD, earning 5%. Very nice indeed. So that's going very, very well. We're very happy with that. Sensei has done a great job. If you want to be on Sensei's Crypto Challenge, ask me and I will share with you how to get involved. Around the world, however, stock markets aren't looking too good. New Zealand was down 0.5% when it closed. Australia closed down 0.5. Nikkei closed down 0.27. Hang Seng closed down 176. The DAX in Europe, Germany closed down 0.77. The FTSE closed down 1.28, but America is holding up very nicely right now. The Dow is at 1.14, Nasdaq 1.146, the stock exchange 0.64, and SPY. The S&P 500 is up 1.36. All overbought. It's got to trim off soon. It's getting too hot. I don't like it there. It doesn't make any sense to be buying anything at any price, but people seem to think that's okay. I don't trade like that. I'm a value investor looking for the stocks that are oversold, undervalued. That's what I'm looking for. Right. Now then, we are just about coming to the end. We are 97 followers on StockWits. I'm so excited if we can make 100 today. Let's see. I've got a few more comments here. We've got a nice comment here from Chopper FC. Reshared my message. Seems to be a nice guy and likes to have jam on bread. Absolutely right. Love jam on bread. You can't go wrong. Thanks for sharing, Copper. If you just follow me, you'll be my 98th follower. We're trying to get to 100 today, which would be absolutely brilliant. All right. Okay. Now this is what we're doing here in a few minutes. Oh, lovely. Great. Virgin Galactic, you're sharing it and reposting it. I love this. Just a few moments to go now for the interview of the year. You want to know how we changed policy with Virgin Galactic, how we influenced Virgin Galactic CEO Michael Cole-Glazier. It all comes up in just a few minutes. I'm going to give everyone the link again. There is the link. Click on that. Repost it. Leave a comment underneath it. There's the link. You might want to do that one as well. That's the link for the video that goes live with Andy in just a few minutes. Thanks to all of you. If I get any comments, I will respond to your comments. Let's have a look. Mike and Fight Channel reposted it. Mike Space, good luck, Stephen Lewandowski. Yes, indeed. All the way. Good luck, Stephen. Big investor there in Virgin Galactic. We represent 95% of the world's retail investors. We know that. Andy's reposted it. There we go. I'm here. Zed Hink, thank you very much. Thank you. I always reply to all of my members to help you grow, should you wish to grow on X. Not everybody does, of course, but I try to help all of my members. Right. That's been taken care of. Hopefully it'll be green in a minute. AIJ Martin, why don't you take a poll on Plug Power? Will it survive or go bankrupt? AI, I can do that for any one of my members. If you are a member of the channel and you want to do a poll, you can ask me to do a poll. You can also ask me to do a full review of a stock as well. Paul, I'm a chopper. I asked you last night about your tea. I'm Chopper. I asked you last night, Paul Cashmore. That was the guy over there on X a minute ago. Brilliant. I love it. Thanks for that. I love it. Let's have a look. 97. 3 to go on StockTwits. Hey, Sensei Crypto. I subscribe to your free plan for now. I will revive an email. I will receive an email with the Discord info later. Review, I think that is. Seth is interested in Sensei Crypto's challenge. Let me give it to you. This is, if you are interested in having your crypto challenge looked at, this is Sensei Crypto. He handles all my crypto for me. And I'm very, very happy with the service I'm getting. There's Sensei Crypto. Right, very, very good. Martin, do you think Virgin Galactic can take over SpaceX in its potential? Langford Showcase. That's an interesting name. And we need to be clear, they are very, very different companies. They're not even related in any way whatsoever. So we can't really compare Virgin Galactic to SpaceX. They are very different companies. So, you know, very, very different. Now then, in case you don't know, we've just we're working on a new software that we use. If this is it here, we run everything through algorithms and we work out the best prices and the best intrinsic value and the balance sheet, and we see who's selling on the inside and all that kind of stuff. It's very, very useful information. This is the software I'm using. I'll give you the link for it now. Here it is. Now, if you use my referral, non-members can use it and you'll just pay the normal price. But should you wish to use my referral, this link in my little video, if you're one of my members, you'll get my membership for free because you'll get a 10% discount. And what I want you to do is go over here, because we're trying to get Virgin Galactic to rank #1 on Google for a space company. Because when Taylor Swift flies in the new year, which is what we're expecting, this is the software I use, balance sheet, intrinsic value, all the trades, all the ins and outs of the stock. If you scroll to the bottom, even with the free account, you don't have to pay for this, right? Okay, I provide it all for you. If you go to the bottom, you will now see I'm doing analysis for all of the stocks on all the stock market, above CNBC, above Yahoo Finance, above Fox, Jim Cramer, Bloomberg, all of it. I'm doing reviews here on the stock. You can see we got the news here from you guys when we changed policy at Virgin Galactic. It all appears here. Now, if you want to help Virgin Galactic rank on Google, not just YouTube. We already ranked #1 on YouTube, but we now want to rank #1 on Google to help Virgin Galactic, the word get out, especially when we get those big celebrities flying in that $1 million seat. Go to the link I've given you on AlphaSpread and click one of my videos. And so it starts ranking on YouTube, on Google. Be very, very helpful. Anyway, there we go. Okay, Kevis Schools. Martyn, can you give me access to the members area on Discord? Yes, I can, Kevis Schools. Let me just go over the Discord for you now and confirm, is this you on Discord? And I will upgrade you live in the show. Kevis Schools, is that you? Just say that is you on YouTube. I know it sounds silly, but people try and pretend to be people to get their benefits and all the rest of it. So Kevis Schools, just say, yes, that is me, and I will upgrade you live on the show. Just do that for me a second. Take me 10 seconds. Yes, it is. All right. First thing that we do is make sure you've got the same name so everyone knows it's you. Yes, you've done that. The next thing I will do is invite you to be a friend. Do not accept any friendship requests from anyone who pretends to be Martyn Lucas. People do it all the time. We ban them all the time. They're not me. You can tell the real me because I've already invited you to be a friend, so you've already done that. But if you look at my, whoops-a-daisy, where are we? I like that. Look at that. That's supposed to be me, isn't it? I'm loving it. That's really good. Who did that? That's really good. I really like that. That's supposed to be me, isn't it? I'm loving it. That's really good. I'll give you that. That's actually quite good. That's actually quite good. Right. So Kevis School. So yeah, you can check it's the real me, because if you look at my profile, you will see I'm the only one who has the real username. See, Martyn Lucas. They'll all have Martyn Lucas 2, 3, 4. Please, they'll pinch the logo and the name, but they can't use that. All right. So please don't accept any more friend requests. Right. Now I've given you the information, I'm going to upgrade you. Okay. So I'm now going to give you role of YouTube member. You now have a role of YouTube member. You can now see all the trades we're making. You can now take part in all the members only links. You can call into the show on the Friday or anytime. If you want to call in now, I just can't get my head around this. This is brilliant. If you want to call into the show, it's the broadcast lounge. You can suggest things for the show. You can say stock news for things that you found in the day, crypto news, general chit chat, the breakfast bar every morning in the opening bell. Come on in, say hello, share some pictures, live clips for the show, suggestions, things you want to see on the show. All of these things now, you'll see what we're trading before we trade it and all that great stuff. All right? Okay, fantastic. You are now in as a YouTube member. Okay. That's so funny. That is so funny. All right. Few minutes ago, just a few minutes ago now. Now, tonight we got two things happening for you. Two special events. All right. We've got, after the show finishes, straight away, we're going to go into this live interview with Andy Shovel. Me and Andy Shovel were behind the petition which put to Virgin Galactic, which got policy changed. This is the interview, the follow-up interview. Andy spoke directly with the investor relations. He's going to tell you what he thinks of the stock, what he's doing. He's one of the largest retail investors in the world. And join me for this. This is straight after today's show. I will give you the link again. This video you're watching now will take you directly there automatically. But if you want the link, you can. There is the link. It's pinned to the top in the chat. Okay, you all got that? All right. Make sure that you leave a like and you get ready to watch that live. Now, right after that, we're going to go to the Virgin Galactic party. We're celebrating. We've invited investors, astronauts, everybody at Virgin Galactic to join us. We're having a party tonight. Live requests, live songs. If you want to be in the Virgin Galactic party, where you can have your favorite songs, I was voted as the World Piano Man. There is the link for that. That will go straight after the live interview with Andy Shovel. Okay? That's all coming up. Brilliant. Everyone's ready for that, right? Okay. Now then, what's moving? Virgin Galactic. Fisker, we'll do a review over the weekend. Palantir going up. Gold down. VU going up. S&P. Amazon up. Apple up. Next year energy going back up. Enphase Energy. This is where the money is, not chasing Apple. Come on, investors. Don't just keep buying everything that goes up. Look for things that are going down. Kevin Schools, you've taken care of that. Can you review GoPro stock? Benjamin Perez. Yes, I can. You would like to book a review? You are a member. Yes, you are. So Benjamin wants GoPro. Okay. You can book that as a member. Benjamin, I will do that for you. Yeah. Where it say Taylor Swift is flying in the new year, Martin. I haven't confirmed that Taylor Swift is flying. That's not what I said. The rumor around Taylor Swift flying. Be absolutely clear. There's a rumor, a strong rumor about about Taylor Swift flying. There's no confirmation of that, but we know they were alleged to have bought a ticket years ago. Taylor Swift and Justin Bieber. Okay, I am only a subscriber. No, you're not, Benjamin. You have a badge next to your name, which means you are a member. You may have won a membership, but I'm still doing it for you. But you have a badge next to your name. Can you see it? All right. That's why you remember. You've won one. Somebody today bought you one as a gift. It was Bill. Bill bought you a membership today, I believe. I think so. Hi, Martin. Do you think Robinhood will be available before December? Yes, it's coming out within weeks. And when they say weeks, they mean under a month, okay? That's why I've been buying Robinhood like crazy. Yes. I'm expecting it to be out within a month. Robinhood is now going up today, 4% up today. I've been buying more and more Robinhood as has. Is that a real word? A real sentence? Not sure. Anyway, as has. That can't be real, can it? As has. Kathy Wood. I posted the video just a few moments ago, about 2 hours ago. There is the information. Oops, Kathy Wood. She paid too much. I bought it at the bottom. She didn't. She paid more. She paid about $8.50. I bought it way lower than that. Anyway, I bought it at $8.06. Just saying, Kathy Wood. I saved millions of dollars if I'd bought the same amount as you. I just only bought 100. So, anyway. There we go. Okay, so that answers your question. Let me go. I hope you're going to sing the Virgin Galactic song tonight. I miss hearing that. I really did like it. Yes, I will do that, Zed Hink, for you. Yes, Seth, here is the link. There you go. Sensei Crypto. Sensei Crypto's giving out links. I am only a subscriber. No, you won a membership today. Thank you, Sensei. I just finished verifying. Thank you. Hi, Martin. Do you think Robinhood will be here in the UK? Yes, I do. Now, remember, I will have a Robinhood UK account because I have a home in the UK, a bank in the UK. I live in the UK. My studio is here in Dallas. My home is in UK. So yes, I will have a Robinhood account. And wait for me, you all promised you would. I want to give everyone the referral for for Robinhood. You will all get free stocks with my referral. If you use my referral, you get free stocks. As will I, and I will share with you what we get. It's going to be a really explosive week. That week that Robinhood comes out, we're all going to get free stocks. We're all going to be excited. So look forward to that. So make sure that you use my referral, become part of my family on the Robinhood UK. I'm going to have it with you all, okay? Martin, do you think Robinhood? Yes. Martin, can I call in for literally a minute? Yes, you can. Let me open up the broadcast lounge. MSK is in the broadcast lounge. He wants to phone in. He's in the broadcast lounge now. Looks like we've got MSK. I can only give you a minute. So just get ready. I've opened it up. Stand by, MSK. Get ready. You're in the broadcast lounge. You're all ready to go. I will unmute you in literally a second. I just need to read through the last comments. Oh, wow. I wasn't even aware. Thank you so much, Bill. Very much appreciated. Yes, next to your name, you have a badge. You need to renew it. It won't continue. But because you are a member, I have you. That's why I'm doing you the review. So you've got lots of bonuses there. All right. Martin, can you do a poll, please? If Sensei did financial advisor course, will you be interested in hiring Sensei as your financial advisor? Have we got time? Flipping heck, I'm running out of time for a poll. Okay, here we go. If Sensei did the financial advisor course, would you be interested in hiring Sensei as your financial advisor? Okay. Well, as a member, you can ask that. So I will do that for you. Okay, that's the question you want to ask. Yes, as a member, you can have that. If Sensei did the financial advisor course, will you be interested in hiring Sensei as a financial advisor? There you go. So, yes or no? We're doing a poll for Sensei here in the poll. Start poll. Oh, the question is too long. Sensei as your financial advisor, how much I've got to get rid of what can I cut out? I've got to cut out 7. If Sensei did financial advisor, course, will you be interested in? I can't count. I've got to count 3 more, 2 more. Financial is spelt wrong, but never mind. Sensei was a... I'm sorry, it's taking me time just to do this for Sensei. It's too long. And I don't know how to shorten the question. Of course, will you be interested in hiring Sensei as a financial advisor? Right, I've got to move on quickly, so I've just edited it quickly. So if Sensei, I've had to take a couple of words out, right? If Sensei invested in becoming a financial advisor, would you be interested in hiring Sensei as your financial advisor? So he's trying to find out is if he went to the trouble of investing and becoming a financial advisor, would you be interested in hiring him as a financial advisor? I've had to cut a few words out to make it fit. But I'm sure you can. I'm sure you can work out what I'm trying to say. I've got to do it in a hurry. Okay. All right. Good evening, Martin. Chris C. Good evening. Plug is climbing back up. Yes, it is. It was dramatically oversold. Let us all know on Discord, Martin, the day if it lands, so we could be some of the first. Yes, of course I will. Of course I will. Go Plug. Chris C. Absolutely right. Get rid of wrong spelling. I got rid of that. Financial to FINRIA. 200 massive UK retail investors and has now just opened trading tours massive in the UK. Robinhood might not have it all their own way. Yes, they will. They'll smash trading 212. No doubt about that at all. Right, MSK, I'm going to open it up. We've only got a few minutes left. Unmute. MSK, you're live on the show. How are you?
I'm good, Martin. How are you?
I'm very well indeed. Great to have you here, mate. Sorry to keep you short to a minute or so. How can we help you this afternoon?
I just, you know what? It's perfect because you just mentioned about someone asking about Sensei and financial advice. Let me just tell you something. I asked Sensei that famous day, what's the best crypto to invest in? He said XRP because of the case that was going on at that time. I am $12,000 up on XRP, no joke. So if I'm gonna, of course I'm gonna be biased, but this man has maybe $12,000 richer than I was before. So of course I'm gonna be biased, but sure. Sensei is a good man. He speaks the truth. And you know, I have nothing bad to say about him. And if I think some of my jokes might come across a bit, I don't know. Some people might take it a bit in the wrong way. But if I say anything that offends people, it's just banters.
Oh, we understand that.
I love Sensei.
Yes.
Yeah,
no,
I hope
right.
so. I hope so.
The reason why I partnered with Sensei is not because he does what other what YouTube channels do, how to get rich, to make headlines, to sell videos. This is not about selling videos. We're about building a real human community and sharing real information. And Sensei studies all day and also meets up with people that manage the projects and so on. He studies and lives and breathes crypto, and he's here to help people. And he shares his knowledge, information, not to get you to buy it, to promote a YouTube channel, telling you you're going to get rich buying this. In fact, that's why we've got so much money sat in cash still in our crypto challenge. And despite that, we've more than doubled our money with Sensei. He's given nothing but honest, real advice. It's, in fact, not advice, it's his opinion. And so I'm sure he'll appreciate your kind words.
Yeah, and to add to that, I haven't joined his program. I haven't joined his channel even. So that speaks volumes about his character. That he was able to just genuinely say, look, XRP. And I did it. I just did it on that day. And
well, that's right. He does. Yes, that's right. He does share a lot of information for free. No one has to pay for it. Just by calling in, he will do charts He will do charts. He'll call in my show, share what he's doing. That's all for free. No, people often say, "Oh, you've got to be a member for everything." No, you don't. You can watch the show for free. You can do comments for free. You can ask me questions for free. You can see Sensei's information for free. However, if you want more information and you want him to do personal charts for you and talk to you one-on-one, He needs something for doing it. And it's only a few bucks if you want that. But of course, he does provide lots of information, as do I, up to 10 hours a day for free for everyone. So you're absolutely right.
And on that note, can you please leave a link so that I can join Sensei's channel? Because I've decided that it's worth it.
Yes, well, that's very nice of you. I will put the link in the chat now. MSK, I've got to run. We've only got a few minutes to go. We've got a massive premiere coming up with that interview with Andy in a minute. And then we got the party. MSK, it's always lovely to have you on the show. I want to thank you for your huge support to me. You know, I'm struggling right now. Everything's down. It's tough. You know, I'm investing in myself and this channel. And you've been so supportive of my channel. And I want you to know all the super chats and the tips and the crypto giving that you've given me have all gone into the show, running the equipment. What I've got left to, you know, goes into my portfolio. Everything I have goes into this show. So you've been a huge support to me personally. So thank you for your support, MSK.
Just on the last note, then, I want to thank you, Martyn, for the tip on SPC and Enphase. And I know both of them are going to explode. And it's going to make us rich. Let's just be honest. It's going to make us rich. Just have faith. Just be patient. And that's it.
That's it.
MSK. And we have Martyn to thank for that.
MSK.
There you go.
I appreciate it. I've got to let you go. I appreciate everything you said. Right, thank you so much for calling in. Thank you, mate. Yep. There's MSK. Always a pleasure to have him on the show. Really, really is. All right. Okay. I've got to wrap up because we've just got a few moments to go. We've got to ring the bell. Now, he did ask for Sensei's link if you want to be part of the crypto challenge. There's a free plan. It doesn't even cost any money. Sensei gives so much for free. However, if you do want to, get one-on-one services, you can. If you're one of my members, you will get a discount, a lifelong discount. You'll pay less than anybody else. My members always get the best deals. It's what we do, okay? We're here to help people, not to sell videos, but to build a family. However, I have to live. Sensei has to live. But we'll give so much for free. But if you want some extra services, premium services, then you can. Mine's only a couple of bucks a month. And if you take my membership, all the discounts that you get with Sensei and Alpha Spread, you'll end up, my membership is free. It's free if you just do Sensei's. It's free if you just do Alpha Spread. Just if you want that. There's loads more though, right? Okay, we're running out of time. We're coming down to the last minute. We're about to go into a world premiere for our big event tonight. Here we go. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. We're going to ring the bell. Everything's going up. That's very, very good news for Monday. Really good news for Monday, in fact. See everything rallying like this. Plug is going up. Absolutely awesome. Really, really good. Massively oversold, huge overreaction, and there we go. Right, we're going to ring the Sensei bell. For 20 bucks, you can sponsor the bell anytime you like. Non-members can do crypto giving if you want to. All right, let's ring the bell in just a few more seconds to go. Here's Sensei's bell. Here he is. All right, a few seconds to go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, 15 seconds to go. Where's my mouse gone? Trying to get it back. There we go. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has now gone. We are into the after hours on a Friday night, and we are looking okay. I'm still a little bit red at the moment, unfortunately, but that's fine. I've been buying dips all day. Fiska's going up, Palantir's going up, gold is down. That's going down. S&P is running away. Amazon is running away. Apple is running away. NEE. That's what I'm buying. That's beaten up. Enphase looking great. 2 quarters away for a 4x, a 6x. Coca-Cola is underpinning my portfolio. J&J is doing it. We've got all the dividends. $2.5 grand a year now worth of dividends. Only 300 about 6 months ago. So that's great. Plug power now. Where's it moved to? Yes, it's going up. Oh, it's up in the after. Oh, it's flat on the after hours. Beg your pardon. All right. It's Friday. We've come to the end of the week. We've come to the end of the show. I think I've answered everybody's questions. So now what we want to do is get ready for the big event. We've got 2 events tonight. It goes live in just 13 minutes from now. So I'm going to end this show. I'm going to make this show go directly to the main event. So you don't have to go anywhere. It'll do it automatically when I click this button, when it ends. Okay. Here is the Virgin Galactic interview. Here it is. Here is the Virgin Galactic interview with Andy Shovel, who put together the petition which changed the course and direction, I believe, we all believe, of Virgin Galactic. So that's where that is. You've got that link there. It's also pinned to the top. So we're all ready to go. Let's see how many people have already booked a ticket to be there. Let's refresh it on the screen. Let's see if it just changes a little bit. 13 people have clicked a like, ready to be there. This is the interview. We'll be there in just a couple of minutes' time. Straight after that, we have the live party. I was voted as the World Piano Man. Here was the concert. We're going to have some fun. I've invited the astronauts and investors from all over the world to join us for the party. Hopefully you'll join us, and I'll do up to 14 different languages, 650 songs, and all your voices and all your requests, dedications there. George says, you're doing a great job, Martyn. Looking forward to your future videos and events. How cool is that? George, it's the very first time we've met, George. George, do join us in my music studio behind me here for the big event. I'll share with you behind me. Look, that's the studio waiting for me tonight. Right behind me, you can just see there. That's the studio. That's where I do the concert. I'm going to end the stream right now on TikTok. I'll see you all over there in a minute. Let me end it for you guys. There we go. And if I turn the screen round, George, you will now see we're all set for the Virgin Galactic concert. That happens straight after the interview with Andy Shovel. All right, so we're all set for the concert tonight. The studio, of course, will go into Virgin Galactic colors. There we go. We're all ready to go. All the smoke will come down. All the lights will move, and it'll look pretty cool. And we hope you'll join us for that. Right. But now it's time to get ready for that very important interview that you cannot afford to miss. We hope that everybody wants to become a member of our channel. 98% of our live viewers are members, higher than Mr. Beast and one of the biggest YouTubers in the world. We're very, very proud of that. If you've not yet checked out our alpha spread link, if you want all the technology where I run it through the algorithm and find you who's buying, who's selling on the inside, who is what the balance sheets are, what the intrinsic value is, there it is. If you are a member of my channel, it's a couple of bucks a month. It supports the live shows. I go live up to 10 hours a day just to build the audience, just to be the most honest live channel in the world. That's my aim. I make no money from these live events. I only make money from, what have I just done? I've just done something. Hang on a minute. There we go. I only make money from the videos. Here is my membership video where you can get the discount to Alpha Spread if you want to. Right, it's now time. We got to end the show. We've got 2 events. The music concert will be right after the interview with Andy. Let's see if we did get to 100 followers on X. No, just 97. We'll do it over the weekend, I think. Sorry, not X, I beg your pardon. StockTwits. There's my link for StockTwits. Any more comments on X? No, I've answered all of those. That's good. If you want to follow me on X, know about my trades before I make them. And don't forget, you don't have to know all of these links. All you've got to do is go to martynlucas.com and you'll have all my links all in one place. You'll have the newsletter, Sensei Crypto, my X, my Instagram, my TikTok, everything you possibly need will all be there. You can even have the newsletter And I got my another thank you today. People love the birthday card. Get a birthday card. My members, you can put your birthday in there if you want that. If not, you don't have to, but you can if you want. And all my links to all my services and all my accounts are down there. All right, we're done. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. We haven't got time for day trader of the day, but we are going to roll the credits. This video will take you straight to the interview. You cannot miss it if you are an investor in Virgin Galactic. Thank you, brother, for your insights. You knew, Mike, you know me. I love it. Seems like there's seems like that links ends at .com and doesn't include the rest of the referral. Yeah, it does seem like that, and I don't know why it does that. I don't know why it does that. Whenever I give that link, it just comes up like that. I don't know why. Whenever I post it, that's how it comes up. Yeah. I don't know why it misses that off at the end. I don't understand that. I've seen that. I've wondered that myself. Anyway, if you use my code when you sign up anyway, you're going to get the discount. You're going to get the discount anyway. Yeah, I thought that, but yeah, it's weird, isn't it? When you click on it, it does that. Whereas if let me put the code in. See, it comes up the same. It doesn't make any difference. It seems to do the same. Anyway, I'll look into it, but as long as you get the best deal, it doesn't matter about me anyway. I say that, it kind of does, but it doesn't. Right, all right, roll the credits. Let's get out of here. We're running out of time. The premiere is about to start. Everyone go there now. Let's roll the credits. Stars of today's show. Stars of the show. We didn't have any super chats today. Nothing to talk about. Is a PP reference. YouTube doesn't allow that. Oh! So no one's getting my link. Is that what it is? Is that why? So people have been signing up and no one's been getting that's annoying. Oh well. Everyone's been signing up without me. Never mind. Okay, I'll see you all back on the world premiere in a minute. Now I know. Thank you ever so much indeed. As always, see you on the premiere. Time to go now. See you back later. Bye-bye. And see you for the live concert in about 40 minutes. Bye for now.